After enduring the long winter that we had, I was craving a coastal palette. So that's what the dream home this year is based on. So you'll notice there's lots of whites and blues running through the house. We have different ceiling heights through the house. I don't know if people will be aware of that, but we have 11-foot ceilings in the living space, and we have 10-foot ceilings throughout the rest of the main floor. When you enter the rooms, there's beautiful vignettes that are created. So for instance, when you move through the hallway from the front door to the back of the house, you will notice that you enter through the middle of the room, so it creates a nice sense of symmetry. We're very excited this year. Minto has created a net zero home, which is a home that generates as much energy as it consumes. So this really hopefully should prove to be an inspiration to other builders or other architects to use this as the new standard of building.